So today I want to show you what happens when you improperly install paint protection film. And it's not, I shouldn't say installed improperly, it just wasn't covered enough, especially in the impact areas where you should always wrap and roll edges and provide extra coverage because it will get beat up and chipped up. So what happened here is, there it is, all along the bottom. So the paint protection film only goes up to here. So it's a kit installed job for the rocker panels. So what we had to do is we had to order paint from McLaren. It's a 2-part paint. We're gonna have to touch up the chips, lightly polish them so it's completely smooth, and rewrap this. So what we're gonna do to protect this edge is we're just gonna roll the paint protection film all the way around. So what that's gonna do is gonna provide all the coverage and you won't get those chips. So let's do it.
Don't turn off the lights. I don't wanna fight with you.
So we just finished up touching up the rocker and then we just wrapped it in paint protection film. So how we wrapped it differently this time is we wrapped around this leading edge and the edge behind so you won't get rock chips on those main impact areas. So this is just a quick little video. Just wanted to show you how it's better to do things properly the first time than having a professional come out and repair it to make it perfect again. So yeah, looks good. We'll give you a quick little walk around on the car and then close it and cover it all up.